My name is Ricardo and my partner Pastrana and Sebastián. Eduardo Arias is missing, so so let's continue.
In this method, an element is selected and then the rest is selected until completing the desired sample number.
For example, no, regrésale.
Pues que güey, until you.
For example, we have 5 people. Well, not 5. 5. Okay? But we only want these 2. So we will select these 2 and see, oh, okay, I will interview these 2 and then see the answers. If the answer is, I would like 5 apples, only 5, then I will select this, that is separating. Now, you may continue.
How do we get the desired sample number? Well, to obtain the sample is necessary to divide the population size. We're going to represent it by P. By the number of the desired elements, we're going to represent it with N, where the result K is rounded to the nearest integer. To get the result, the first element is selected randomly, and then the rest are selected to every K elements, and this is the formula. K equals P divided by N. That it will be K, the result is the number of population, and divided by the elements.
When to not use it? This method is not convenient to use when there is a pattern in the arrangement of the data. For example, in a list of students, as this can be arranged alphabetically or by enrollment number, either in ascending or descending order. Just don't use it in patterns.
Okay. Steps to perform a sample using systematic sampling method. Number 1, a defined structural audience needs to be developed from the researcher to start working on the sampling aspect. The research and change must figure out the ideal size of the sample, and how many people from the entire population choose to be a part of the sample. The key to precise, reasonable, and practical results is the bigger size of the sample. For example, instead of taking a city, maybe a whole continent, and see what each area thinks.
Once the number of the sample size is decided, a number must be assigned to each and every member of the sample. The interval of this sample needs to be decided. That will be the standard distance between the elements. The example mentioned above suggests that the sample interval should be 10, which is the result of the division of 5,000, and size of the population and 500, and size of the sample. All right.
Advantages of this method is extremely simple and convenient for the users to create conduct and sample data. As central need to know where each member of the sample is selected sample square for representing a person in a faster and simple manner. The sample square are based on the member selection and people relatism.
More advantages. In the other methods of probability sampling, methods such as cluster sampling, stratified sampling, or non-probability methods, such as condensed sampling, there are chances of the clusters created to be highly private, which is avoided in systematic sampling, as the members are at a fixed distance from one another. The factor of risk involved in the sampling method is extremely minimal. The case here are diverse members of a population systematic sampling that can be beneficial because even distribution of members to form a sampling. No? No. For